And Mother Nature impacts us every single day, which is why having an accurate forecast is important. Meteorologist Dan Grigsby describes improvements in forecasting over the years and the possibilities for the future.
Over the past 75 years, weather forecasts have become much more accurate. A 3-day forecast in 1990 is now about as accurate as a 7-day forecast in 2023. The reason behind this? Supercomputing. Modern forecasting takes full advantage of advances in computing power to produce models such as the ones typically shown here on News West 9. The main ones being the GFS and the Euro. These models work by taking observed data from weather stations and balloons around the world and organizing it into a grid-like format. Hundreds of variables ranging from temperature to pressure to soil moisture are then inputted into the models, which calculate the future using the laws of physics. This is where supercomputers come in by performing the calculations at a speed of about 20 quadrillion mathematical operations per second. This goes on for several hours and is run 4 times each day. The output is what you see on TV when we show things like future rainfall totals or forecasted winds and temperatures. So how accurate are these models? Well, they're not perfect, but they are pretty accurate, especially in the short term. Accuracy drops off with time, and after about 10 days, they become pretty unreliable due to error propagation. The European model is generally regarded as more accurate, although competition is pretty close. Each has their advantages and disadvantages, which is why humans are needed to analyze both outputs and decide what the actual forecast will be. With further advances in computing power, it will be interesting to see how far in advance we can accurately predict the weather in the coming decades. Although we will never be able to forecast infinitely far into the future, it is possible that your common 9-day forecast could become a 90-day forecast in the next century, while also staying just as accurate.